Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
That day, children, we had already discussed how to write analytical paragraphs. You
Yes,
remember?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We had discussed how to write analytical paragraphs. So there were some keywords which are used, how many paragraphs have to be made, what does a keyword mean, all these things we had already discussed. So
Yes,
we'll go
ma'am.
ahead. Okay. How many paragraphs do we make in total?
Ma'am, three.
Three paragraphs. What do we write in the first introductory paragraph?
Ma'am, introduction of the given pie chart, line chart, or graph.
Okay, let us see a few pie charts and the paragraphs we had
Afternoon,
already.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. See, these two I had already done with you children. This pie chart and this line graph, you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Now we have already revised. Now it is your turn to do this question and show it to me. Come on, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. I will not help you in anything. Read the question yourself. Try and understand the figure yourself. Okay? And plan the first paragraph. Just the first paragraph. Please plan it, write it, and post it on the group. Only the first introductory paragraph. Take your time, see the figure nicely.
Ma'am, please repeat what we have to do.
You have to write an analytical paragraph. I have already told you how to write analytical paragraphs. So for this paragraph, you have to write only the first paragraph, first introductory paragraph. Observe this figure. Plan your first introductory lines. What does this figure tell you? That way we used to plan it out. Hurry up, your time starts now. You have to just post on the group. Only the first part, introductory part. Hurry up. Whoever is done, let me know. Tell me that, ma'am, we are posting on the group so that I can reach. You don't have to write the entire thing, children, only the first introductory. Whoever is done with the first line, please inform me that when we are posting.
Ma'am, posted.
Very good. Who's posted?
Ma'am, Kartikeya.
Kartike. Kartike, read out loudly what you have posted, beta. Read out.
Ma'am, the given pie chart shows the result of a survey in which it shows the different forest covers in India. There are different types of forest covers in India, such as VDF, MDF, OF, and OF scrub and non-forest.
Excellent, beta. Very good. See, first paragraph, he has only given the introduction. What is being shown in the figure, he has not given any details. Too good, Kartike. Move on to the second
Thank you, ma'am.
paragraph. Like you move on to the second one. Others, write the first one. Tell me quickly, post it.
Posted.
Read it, beta, so that everybody can hear.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it loudly.
Ma'am, the pie chart shows the percentage of different forest cover in India, in which pie chart shows the non-forest cover area, very dense forest, and moderately dense forest, ordinary forest, and syrup forest.
Very good, Harshvardhan. Very good. He's also tried. He's also given the introduction. Those who given the introduction will move on to the second paragraph where you'll give details of the percent and all. Shall we move on? Whoever finishes and is about to post, let me know so that we can all hear. In the second paragraph, we'll be giving the details, Peter. Kavyansh, Sachin, you've not even given the first paragraph, the introductory paragraph yet. Sachin and Kavyansh, are you there or you're not there only? Sachin, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kavyansh is there? So much of time, introductory paragraph also not come. Hurry up, mere bachche. Hurry up, please. Kartikeya and Harsh, once you're done with the second paragraph, let me know.
Okay, ma'am. After 3 to 5 minutes, I will post it.
Take your time and then let me know so that we can listen to what you've written.
Ma'am, done.
Post beta and then read it out loudly so that
Ma'am,
everybody can listen.
posted.
Read beta.
Ma'am, second paragraph. From the pie chart, it is clear that the majority area is covered by non-forest, which is 76.92%. Only a small area is covered by scrub and VDF, which is 1.41%, and 3.02%. There is approximately 10% is covered by MDF and OF.
Beta, in the first paragraph, he only gave an introduction as to what does the figure show or what is the pie chart showing.
No, ma'am, it is second paragraph.
No, I'm just telling the students how you have done. Very good. In the first paragraph, he just told us overview of what he saw. And in the second paragraph, he has given the details exactly how much percent what. This is exactly how you need to do, everybody. Second paragraph should give the details. Too good. Now the conclusion part, beta.
Ma'am, does I have to write the full forms of these words?
No, not needed as such. What is the conclusion that you draw? Draw the conclusion.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm others I'm still waiting. Kartikeya is coming up with his conclusion paragraph. Others, please.
I'm done. I'm second paragraph.
Post and read beta. Read it out loudly so that others can also listen.
Okay, ma'am. In this pie chart, it has given that the forest are not good because the non-forest area has been decreased over a long period of time, which is not good for our country. In India, non-forest area is 76.92%. The very dense forest is only 3.02%, and the moderately dense forest is 9.39%, which shows that approximately a majority of the part is covered with non-forest area.
Very good. These are the details. Now the conclusion part has to come. Okay, let's conclude the paragraph. As it is only 3 of you are there in the class, just 3 students. Write the conclusion quickly.
I'm done.
Post and read out, beta. And first, just count the total number of words before you read out. See, is
Okay,
it
ma'am.
coming minimum 150 or not?
Ma'am, in board, ma'am, how many pages sufficient for ma'am? 100 to 150 words. Ma'am, 150 to
Beta,
200 words.
you should simply count how many words you have written in one line. Count roughly. Take any one line and count how many words you have written. Everybody has a different handwriting, so we do not consider one standard way for everyone. You count and tell me how many words on an average in one line.
9.
9. So let us assume
Yes,
it
sir.
as 9. So 150 words minimum. So you should write at least 17, 18 lines. This is how we estimate for ourselves. How many lines have you written? But don't count the words.
Mine is 17.
17. And how many, roughly you told me 9 words in a line now?
Yes, ma'am.
So 17 into 9 makes, calculate yourself.
Ma'am, after
Perfect.
writing conclusion, my lines
Hmm.
will be approximately ma'am 18 to 19.
So 18 to 19, let's have it 18, 18 into 9. So it is somewhere more than 150 and less than 200. So your word limit is perfect. There is no problem. Okay, but it should not be less than 150. If you follow the
Okay,
3
ma'am.
paragraph pattern, it will never be less than 150. See, let me show you this one. You finish your concluding paragraph, both of you? No,
No,
not yet.
ma'am, I'm writing ma'am only ma'am 1 minute.
I'm waiting for you. Hurry up.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, beta, please read.
In conclusion, we can say that non-forest area is increasing by the period of time, and the area of forest and scrub is decreasing by the period of time.
Very good, Kartikeyan. This is the conclusion.
I
Why
was
do you think
also
this must be
writing the
happening?
same point.
Never mind. Can both of you discuss and tell me why this must be happening? Any reason which comes
Ma'am,
to your mind?
because of the ma'am,
Increasing population.
industrialization and ma'am increasing population.
Hmm. So, if you wanted, you could have added this. Both of you knew how to deal with this. Okay, let me come to this one. Hmm. We had already done this. You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
You were there? Yes,
Yes,
you were there. This one I
yes,
wanted to revise with you. This one I want to do one line graph with you. Let's do this. Introductory paragraphs. Though we have done it, but still. That both of them were pie charts. This is the only line graph we had. So let's do this. Introductory paragraph for this quickly.
Ma'am, can I?
You've done the introductory paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out, beta.
Ma'am, the given line graph shows the percentage of teenagers consuming junk food and nutritious food. And ma'am, we can see that the consumption of nutritious food is declined as the junk food consumption is increased.
Okay. Next one. Next paragraph details now. Very good. Very good, Beta. Very good. Trying it very nicely. Continue. Done? Once you're done, let me know.
Ma'am, first paragraph done, ma'am.
Speak, Beta.
This line graph shows the love and the habit of eating junk food in teenage consumers is gradually increased, and the love for eating nutritious food among the teenage consumer is gradually declining.
Very good. Very good. You changed it a little, your vocabulary. Too good. Move on to the second paragraph details. This is a line graph.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday we have done.
You're writing the second paragraph now.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Ma'am, done.
Posted.
Ma'am, I have written roughly.
The second paragraph you have written, have you posted it? That's what I'm asking.
Ma'am, not posted because ma'am, I have written roughly. Ma'am, can I speak?
Okay, you speak.
Okay. In year 2000, the percentage of children consuming nutritious food is more than that of junk food, which is compared to 80% of nutritious food. We can see that there is a steep increase in junk food consumers after 2015 to 2020. Also, there is a gradual decrease in nutritious food consumers from 2000 to 2020. There is equal percentage of consumers of junk food and nutritious food in the year 2014.
He has used the keywords steep increase, sharp decrease. All those words have been used by him very nicely. Very good. Now you move on to the conclusion. Move on to the conclusion quickly.
Ma'am, in this analytic paragraph, we can write, ma'am, like in the ma'am
Yes.
second paragraph, we can write, ma'am, I think, ma'am, that ये मैम लिख सकते हैं.
I think maybe beta, you can write from the figure it is clear that or it indicates that. ऐसे करके. Always related to the figure, whatever figure is given to you. It is
Ma'am,
evident from the figure. हाँ बच्चे read. Please
in
read.
conclusion, we can see that the junk food consumers is kept on increasing, whereas there is a gradual decrease in the consumers of nutritious food.
Conclusion is something like introduction, isn't it?
Yes,
We don't
ma'am.
have to give any specific reasons. We don't have to give details. The conclusion. Now, please count your words. You have written conclusion also. You count your words. Chalo, quickly count your words. Count it in the same way I told you. Count words in a line and then count the number of lines and multiply.
Ma'am, it is showing 162.
Then to it is perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
162. Because your word limit is between what to what?
Ma'am, 150 to 200.
Yes, 150 to 200. So your word limit is going perfectly fine. Too good. You've not posted the last paragraph?
Ma'am, because ma'am, I have written it roughly.
Acha, you've written it roughly. We are still waiting for the conclusion paragraph, the other child and the word limit to be checked. Hurry up. How many words? Who has finished? Harsh or Kartike? Just now we counted the words. It was for Harsh or Kartike?
Karthike. Now I have done, ma'am, second paragraph.
Acha, Harsh, speak out.
Ma'am, in this line graph, the love and the habit for junk food and nutritious food is changing. In 2000, the percentage of nutritious food consumers were 80%, but it gradually declined from 2000 to 2015. But after 2015, there was a steep rise in the consumers of junk food. It raised to it raised from 40% to 70%. In year 2015, there were equal number of junk food and nutritious food consumers. It is clear from the above line graph that because of the new culture of junk food in India is increased over a period of time, and now the nutritious food consumers in 2020 are only 20%.
He's given the conclusion also along with it. Bida, count your words quickly. Tell me. Let's check your word limit also before the class finishes. We're about to finish the class. Count. Any one line you take, count the number of words multiplied by the number of lines.
9 words in a line again.
9 words, and now let's count the lines. So now you know every time it is coming 9 words only. So you know that your words limit is
18
always
lines.
18 lines. So multiply now 18 into 9 makes
167.
18 into 9 makes 167. How is that possible?
Sorry.
No. Wrong calculations. Do it again.
162. Sorry.
Hanji. So, and what should be the word limit?
150.
It should be 150 to 200, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you think your word limit is fine, or you are missing out on something? It should be less or more or something.
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, I have to write more.
More. Okay.
Yes.
Let's imagine that you need to write more. Then which paragraph would you add on? Which paragraph can you add? And can you add something in the first paragraph?
Yes, ma'am, I have added ma'am, something in ma'am second paragraph.
Mainly you can add an increase in the second paragraph. You can
I
compare.
have written ma'am from ma'am 2000 to
Mm.
2005 and ma'am 2005 to 2010. Ma'am, ma'am, I have given that ma'am from 2000 to 2015.
Okay. So if you want to increase your word limit, you could have taken each year separately.
Yes.
Describe each year and then compare the next year.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
here, first year 2000, then 2005. Then you should have compared 2000 and 2005. Then after that, describe 2010 and compare 2010 and 2005. Okay, just compare 2005 and 2010 and tell me what do you observe, both of you? 2005 and 2010.
Ma'am, there is a gradual increase, and ma'am, in 2010 there is a steep increase
Yes,
in
gradual
junk food.
increase and then steep increase. What is the difference between both of them? Both the words?
Ma'am, gradual means uniformly, and ma'am, steep means ma'am,
Rising from like ma'am 40 to 70%.
Yes.
yes,
And
ma'am,
what do you mean by the word decline?
Ma'am, decreasing.
decreasing.
Decline means actually decreasing. Okay. So you have to do this. These keywords you've already learned. So
Yes, ma'am.
please nicely, you have to use, discuss 1 or 2 minutes we have. What are the keywords we can use? Gradual increase. What else?
Gradual decline and ma'am steady rise and
Ma'am,
steep
steady rise, steep rise. Ma'am, sharp increase.
Yes.
Okay. Sharp increase. Very good. Steady rise, steady decline, sharp increase. Any other word which can be used? And we have done two kinds of figures. One was pie chart. What was the second one?
Ma'am, line graph.
Line graphs. So next time when you come for the class, I'll be taking up bar graphs with you. Okay, beta, we'll have bar graphs also.
Okay, ma'am.
So you post on the group whatever bit you have done, you can post. Okay. If you have written neatly, you post. You to have written neatly, you can post on the group at least. Let's see. Let's meet in the next class now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
God bless.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
God bless.
मैम बाकी बच्चे आते ही नहीं है
I don't know. I was just wondering. Last period है. So last period में they go for what?
तो
Sleeping,
मैम किसी
eating.
क्लास में हम ज्यादा बच्चे नहीं आते मैम.
हाँ, everybody keeps telling me कि A section the students are very less. A section में कम आते हैं. Last time also
Yes,
I
ma'am.
remember both of you were there. For sure, I
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
your name. There were 1-2 more students also. Girls are also not coming in your class.
कुछ बच्चों के चक्कर में मैम दूसरे बच्चों का ही मैम नाम खराब होता है.
I'm
Yes,
seeing this
ma'am.
A section तो बहुत ही बुरा हाल है बेटा. The children are not turning up at all.
मैम
इससे पहले what
मैक्सिमम
subject
10
was
से ज्यादा
किया?
नहीं आता है कभी.
हाँ, सभी टीचर्स यही बोल रहे थे उस दिन. That students don't come. And जैसे जैसे periods number बढ़ता है, like after 4th period, the number of students और less हो जाता. But you know now कि offline तो we are not going to start अभी, obviously.
मैम
It is going to be online another month or so. Why don't these children come? I don't understand. If they have not practiced these, how will they write? Tell me.
I think this year also मैम school will not open.
It is going to go online only. मुझको भी I'm feeling the same thing, beta. We'll have online classes अभी coming up. But let's hope you have your board exams for sure. Beta, please maintain your notebooks for internal assessment. This
Okay
year
मैम.
also, CBSE is giving board marks. They are not taken board exams, but internal exams marks have been given.
Yes मैम like मैम UTs and मैम pre-boards.
Yes. So internals, pre-boards, all these things, no? So maybe this year we don't know what lies next. So you people make sure you maintain your notebook. All
यस मैम.
subjects.
मैम हम
Because
दोनों
you
को
are,
तो मैम मिलने चाहिए मैम. हम दोनों रेगुलर हैं.
हाँ बेटा, ऐसा नहीं है. Teachers इस बात को ध्यान रखते हैं. Don't worry. We are
ओके
always there.
मैम.
We always write attendance. Attendance record हम लोग हमेशा maintain करते हैं. Every Saturday we post attendance also. So इस बारे में you don't worry. Every teacher knows कि who are the
मैम
students who are regular.
which period attendance is taken?
बेटा